Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Epicurean Adventures. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking, exploring some of the most mouth-watering dishes and techniques. So, let's get started. First up, we're going to learn how to make the perfect omelet. Now, an omelet might seem like a simple dish, but there's a lot more to it than just cracking an egg and scrambling it. To create that fluffy, airy texture, it's all about the technique. Start by heating up your pan, then add a small amount of butter. Once the butter is melted, pour in your eggs, and start swirling the pan. This will create those beautiful, even layers that make an omelet so irresistible. Next, we're going to tackle the art of making the ultimate pizza. Now, we all know that pizza is a staple in many households, but have you ever thought about what makes a truly great pizza? Well, it's all about the dough. To achieve that perfect crust, it's essential to let your dough rise for at least 24 hours. This will give it that light, airy texture that we all crave. Now, let's talk about the toppings. While we all have our personal preferences, there are a few key ingredients that make a pizza truly epic. First, fresh mozzarella is a must. The creamy texture and mild flavor are the perfect complement to the tangy tomato sauce. Next, we need to add some fresh basil. The bright, herbaceous flavor is the perfect finishing touch. And finally, we can't forget about the spicy kick of pepperoni. Now, let's move on to something a little more complex: making sushi at home. Sushi is often seen as a difficult dish to master, but with the right technique, it's actually quite simple. The key is to use high-quality, fresh ingredients. Start by preparing your rice, then lay down your nori. Next, add your filling of choice, and roll it up tightly. Once you've got the hang of it, you'll be whipping up sushi like a pro in no time. And last but not least, let's talk about the art of grilling. Grilling is a skill that every food lover should have in their arsenal. Whether you're grilling up some juicy steaks or perfectly charred vegetables, the key is to use a high-quality grill and to let your food cook evenly. And there you have it, folks. A quick tour of some of the most Epicurean adventures in cooking. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of food, and we can't wait to share more delicious dishes and techniques with you in the future. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, happy cooking!